Hey guys, so on behalf of the Ray Auto Group, Ray Chevrolet, Ray Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we just want to say thank you for having us out here. Thank you for letting us support this amazing event. Ray, not only, and the Scarpelli family, not only supports this event, they give back to the community in so many ways. Big Play program, which gives money to up to 5 local high schools. They donate cars to the driver's ed programs, and they're continually giving back to the local community. This is just one small example of what we do. We'll be throwing out some t-shirts and koozies and some good stuff, so make sure you grab it. And on behalf of Ray Auto Group, Ray Chevrolet, and Ray Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we are proud to present the band Oh Yes.
Hello, Johnsburg!
We're here at Ray Auto Group in Fox Lake, and right now we're here in Johnsburg, which is my hometown, and we're here for the Saufen Spiel parade. Behind me we've got all of our employees, we've got a bunch of cars in the parade. We're very proud sponsors of this event. It's a big thing for our dealership. We love grassroots events. We love being in the community. We'll see you in Fox Lake.
That's the Jeep.
Again, let's hear it loud and proud for Ray's Auto Group. Thank you for all that you do for our community.
Why was he rewarded?
The Ray Auto Group just wants to thank you guys for letting us support this. The Ray Auto Group, Ray Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and Ray Chevrolet has supported the Johnsburg community as well as the other local surrounding communities in countless ways. So if you're looking to buy a vehicle, please consider the Ray Auto Group in Fox Lake, as a portion of every vehicle you purchase comes back to support the community in events like this. So let's hear it for Ray. Let's hear it. Thank you, Ray. Awesome, guys. So
thanks for letting us be a part of this great event.